cyber Y2K clothes I made.
You're now watching Dodge.
Paving this shit crank.
Dodge.
Chicka chicka bang bang, chicka bang bang, chicka chicka bang bang. Hello, welcome to my page or back to my page. I'm Naz and I do trendy DIYs or really whatever I feel like doing. Today I'm going to be making some cyber Y2K inspired clothing. It's not going to be like a full DIY where I show you every single step for every single DIY because some of the things is like repeats of old stuff I've already done. So I'll definitely like link the videos to that so you can see more in detailed videos of what I'm doing. But it's going to be more like an inspiration video because some of these clothes are really not as hard as they look to make. You see what I'm saying? So, and you know, they be expensive. Like, they be expensive. So yeah, you can make these clothes for a lot cheaper than you can buy them. So yeah, I hope I can give y'all some inspiration and let's get into the video. But wait. Yeah, I might as well check out my Instagram and my Depop, which they are both at the Nadia Howard. Yeah, and especially my Depop because I post a lot of stuff I make on there. Sorry. But yeah, now we can get into the video. Okay, so this top is like super easy to make, especially if you know how to draw. I'm not the best drawer and I was still able to make it look cute. So yeah. Anyways, I started off by sketching the eyes, my little anime eyes that I want to draw, and watch my phone camera fall. Boo hoo. And yeah, so I ended up sketching my eyes and then I just traced over it with permanent marker. They don't have to be perfect because they don't have to be perfect, but try to get them as even as possible. One thing about using a permanent marker though is that I'm not sure if it's waterproof, so you can use black fabric paint, but I just wanted to use a Sharpie because I'm not going to be washing this shirt much anyways. I'm not going to be wearing it much. I really just wanted to wear it for one outfit. Yeah, so the back pocket and painted my own little design. This is my personal design. Of course, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm just showing y'all what I did. Okay, so now for these bedazzled jeans, they're super simple, kind of, but they do take a lot of time. I start off with these base jeans. They fit me very well. I pre-made these patches of pockets with these bedazzles on it. All they basically did, I made a video on this before, so you can go check out the video. It's really not that hard, but I got the bedazzles from Walmart, and I just painted a white base of the skull, and then I glued them on individually to make the skull bedazzle. I have a whole video on it. But anyways, now I'm going to take this E600 glue and put it on the back of the pockets and put it where I want the pocket to be. I decided on the front of the jeans because it's a little bit different and that's how I like it. But you can also put it on the back. It depends on where you want it, guys. But yeah, that's all I did. So for these, I'm going to be putting an elastic band or a string through these to resize these big, huge True Religion jeans.
But I never liked them forever.
So no matter which method you're going to use, the first thing you want to do is cut holes on both sides of the button of the jeans. They don't have to be huge holes. They can be small little slits and only go through one side of the jeans, not both sides, just one side. As you can see here, my poo-poo nails, but you can also see that my hole only goes through one side, does not go through both sides, and that's how it's supposed to look. So now that you have both holes cut out in both sides, sorry, I can't talk, you're going to take your paper clip and either stick it through the string that you're going to put in or through the elastic band. Both methods work the same, but I'm using a string for these because I wanted to, but both of them work the same. You're going to take the safety pin now and the string, both attached, and you're going to push it through and then pull throughout the whole length of the jeans. It's not that hard. I promise you. It's going to get hard, though, if your if your safety pin accidentally opens. But other than that, it's really not that complicated. To make sure the other side of the string doesn't come through, attach the other side with another safety pin to the pants. If you get to a logo area and you cannot push it through, make sure you cut a hole, like slit, just cut the little threads right there of the logo. The logo will not fall off, but just make sure you cut those threads so you can push your safety pin and string or elastic band through it. So here you can see me taking my scissors and slitting the threads right here that hold the label onto the jeans, just a small slit on both sides, just so I can continue to push my paper clip and string through. Literally just push and pull the safety pin and string or elastic band all the way through to get to the other side, then even out the sides, of course, and if you did elastic band, sew, and if you did a string, tie it, and then you're done.
Doechii, 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 Doechii. You forgot to take the chicken out. Forgot to take the
No way, you're still here. If you're still here, you must like me a little bit, if not a lot of it. So you might as well check out my social media because you're still here. So you know, okay. But anyways, check out my Instagram and my Depop, both at the Nadia Howard. I hope you really liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. You can also check out some of my other videos. I upload when I feel like it. I'm not trying to be like a big YouTuber. But anyways, yeah. So bye, chicas.
head from Nautica, clit throbbing, I start sobbing, watching Narnia.